Today, I want to tell you about the warming drawer from Renaissance Cooking Systems that we installed in our outdoor kitchen. I'm David from the Barbecue Lab, and we just finished up our outdoor kitchen project where we added the RCS Warming Drawer as a part of the equipment that we installed here. Now, what would you use a warming drawer like this for in your outdoor kitchen? Well, here's a few things that we are doing with it. When we're entertaining friends and family, it used to be crock pots sitting around taking up space on each counter. Now, those dishes are kept in the warming drawer. People used to bring mac and cheese and other dishes that aren't great when kept in a crock pot, and now they can bring them straight over and place them in a warming drawer until it's time to eat. We also use this drawer all the time to rest barbecue meats. We'll set the drawer to 145 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit and place finished briskets, pork shoulders, chicken, and more in the warming drawer to rest. Now, some of the real magic of barbecue happens in the rest after you finish a cook. So we'll rest meats in the warming drawer for 6 to 10 hours after it finishes cooking to let that meat reabsorb the moisture that cooks out during the cook. It also gives some of the fat a chance to further break down and liquefy, resulting in juicier meats when it's time to eat. Now, before we picked up the warming drawer for our outdoor kitchen build, we used to use a dry cooler to rest meat after it was done cooking, but having the ability to control the temperature of that holding environment is making a huge difference in the final product. I now understand why Texas barbecue restaurants use a larger version of this to hold their briskets for 12 hours before serving them. It completely changes the final product of a brisket cook to something that's award-worthy. If you're holding meat in your drawer, it's recommended to wipe down the warming drawer after every use to ensure that you're not cooking on any food residue the next time that you fire it up. Now, like you'd expect from your kitchen oven, this warming drawer is fully enclosed, which means that heat can't get out unless you want it to. Something that you don't see on every warming drawer but is present here on the RCS model is a moisture vent control. If you have foods that are crispy that you're holding in this drawer, you'll want to slide the moisture vent to fully open to allow that moisture to escape. For wet foods, you can slide the vent all the way closed to keep the moisture in so your foods won't dry out. Now, you can also use this warming drawer to proof dough. Just set the temperature to the lowest setting and make sure that you cover the dough to make sure that it doesn't dry out. We use it all the time for pizza dough when we're entertaining guests. Now, this unit is made of 304 stainless steel, and cleaning the outside is easy. We'll just spray it with a bit of stainless steel cleaner and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth to keep things nice and shiny. Now, you'll want to plan on this drawer pulling about 8 amps at max load, so when you're planning power for your install, make sure to set aside enough juice for this to be able to function under full load. The temperature range on this drawer is 50 to 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. The drawer measures 26 3/4 inches wide by 19 inches deep by 7 inches high. If you'd like to learn more about the outdoor kitchen build you're seeing here and the products from Renaissance Cooking Systems we've installed, check out the other videos available on this channel. We have a collection of videos walking you through the products we used to bring our ideas to life.